Hi everybody, we just arrived at our hotel and I'll give you a room tour now. Hello, fancy seeing you here.
Exactly.
So,
Very posh.
we've got the bathroom in here, nice big mirror, and a walk-in shower. A nice big shower as well. David's hiding. And then this is our living room. It's all our bags. We don't travel light, I'm afraid. And what have we got in here? We've got a coffee maker. And in here we've got a fridge. Got nothing to put in the fridge yet. And a microwave. And we've got a desk with USB ports on there, so that's handy. And we've got a sofa and some little puffy things and a television and a chair underneath, and we've got a bedroom with a slidey door. Nice big bed. Got a wardrobe with extra hangers and pillows, the usual blankets. Not that we need blankets, it's red hot. I like that. I like them lights there. Should we put them on? Ooh, Bonnie. And that's the t-shirt I bought in the airport because I ruined my other one. Hair's a bit messy, everybody. Sort of like we've been up for a few hours now. And yes, we've got a separate, we've got a television in the bedroom as well.
I saw the remote.
I
saw the remote.
Yeah. So I'll show you out the window. Nothing exciting because it's just like an airport hotel. It's a very long road with lots of hotels on it and nothing really in walking distance. And that's the city of Mississauga in the distance. Lots of funny shaped skyscrapers which we saw on a vlog. And then over this side is Toronto. And I don't know whether you'll be able to see the CN Tower. I'll try and zoom in for you. If I can maybe try and find it first. Oh, there it is. Straight ahead. Oops, I blew that shot out. So yeah, so we're very close. There's two cities. Mississauga, which is over there. Of industrial bits as well here, but we just wanted somewhere where they had a hotel shuttle to get us to the airport again, and close to Toronto and close to Mississauga for the travelling to Niagara Falls. So there you have it, that's my room tour. We'll see you all later.